Why is he here from the future? I did forget to mention something critical for this video. You do have to be on the latest Mac OS Tahoe for this to work. So in today's video, we're going to be showing you guys how to calibrate your lid angle sensor to the new screen that you just installed on your MacBook. So let's get started. Here is a MacBook that we just replaced the screen for. This is, I forget what model, I think the A3430 MacBook Pro 2024, I believe. I could be wrong on the numbers. So to calibrate a new lid angle sensor on a screen, what we're going to be doing here is we're going to hold the power button and continue holding. Where it says right here, continue holding, loading startup options, then let go of the power button. On this screen, all you're going to be pressing is Command D, and you're going to continue holding that for a bit. So it says continue holding to start diagnostics. Let go once the screen turns black. This is going to be opening up the diagnostics page on Apple computers. We're going to wait for this to load up. Okay, this is the page that loads up afterwards. It says diagnostics and report. So we're just going to click on continue. We're going to choose the Wi-Fi for the location. I already found our Wi-Fi. We'll click continue, agree, and then we're going to finish repair. This is considering after installing a new screen and a new lid angle sensor. So finish repair and continue. So for now, it determined that there's a new lid angle sensor and a new display. We're going to click continue. And now it's going to basically have us close the laptop and open it multiple times until it's done. So right now it's saying to ensure you secure your audio and video lights function. Without this, okay, whatever, click continue. It's going to say open lid completely open, which is right now. And you're going to hold it open until it beeps. There it is. Once you hear it beep, you click continue. And it says close the lid and keep it closed until you hear it beep. So closing the lid, open it, and verify by opening the lid again. Open the lid to its fullest and keep it open until you hear it beep. So we have it opened. Okay, we'll click continue, and close the lid and keep it closed until you hear it beep. Done. The calibration process has been completed. So it's just going to configure it for a few more moments, and then it's going to restart, and we'll be completely done. So the most important thing for all of this to work is you do need to be on the latest software that Mac has, or at least something after Tahoe. So if before you start working on this repair, make sure it's updated, and then you do the lid angle sensor calibration. So aside from that, we are good to go. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.